Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove text from videos using CapCut on phone and PC. Easy way. One of the significant challenges in video editing is the need to remove unwanted text such as watermarks, subtitles, or logos. Fortunately, CapCut can get this task done in a few clicks. As a reputable free video editing tool, it allows you to across browsers, mobile devices, and desktops. With its user-friendly interface and powerful editing features like removing text from videos, trimming, cropping, merging, stabilizing videos, and adding cool effects, filters, stickers to videos, it has become a favorite among content creators. Here's how to remove text from video with CapCut for free. Launch the CapCut and click Create Project to get started. Upload a video by hitting the import button on the main window, then drag and drop it from the media section to the timeline. Now, click the crop icon or resize above the timeline and select the text area to crop. Afterwards, click the Confirm option. At last, click the Export button in the top right corner of the program. Text in the video will be removed within seconds. You can customize the output resolution, bitrate, format, and frame rate. You are also allowed to choose directly share the edited video to TikTok or YouTube. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.